Today, making money is easier than ever before. Earlier, to run a business and make money, you needed a product for which you had to make an investment in buying equipment, raw material, and then hiring people to help you create a sellable product. But today, thanks to the internet, you can create a digital product and sell it online and make thousands or even millions of dollars without investing any money, without buying any of those expensive tools and raw materials, without requiring permissions from any government to sell your products and make money. Now, when I say digital product, I'm not necessarily talking about software or anything that requires you to be a technical genius. You can simply create a course about anything you're good at and sell it to thousands of people and make massive profits. Love cooking? Create a course for that. Good at playing piano or guitar? Millions of people browse the internet every day looking for someone to teach them. Do exactly that. How about designing or writing? You can create and sell a course for those. Maybe you're a fitness freak. Why not create a course around that? The possibilities here are endless. You can create and sell a course for just about anything. YouTube has revolutionized the online education market that is today over $300 billion. And since the pandemic started, this market has seen a surge in demand. Stuck at home, people want to upgrade their skills or just want to pursue a new hobby. They can't step out of their homes to go to the malls or gyms or even go hiking. So, every day, millions of people around the world go online looking for something new to learn that will help them get better at their job or even help them look better or feel better. But here's the problem for someone looking to leverage this fast-growing trend by creating a course and selling it online. YouTube is free for all. That means anyone can upload a video course on it, which in turn means you'll always be fighting for your audience's attention. YouTube even kills your conversions by showing your audience videos of your competitors as related videos. And the biggest challenge is to create modules or levels of your video courses and open them for members only. So obviously the next best thing to do is host your courses on third-party platforms like Udemy, Coursera, Teachable, and others. These platforms charge you a big commission and eat into your profits. To get more traffic and increase sales, they also announce big discounts from time to time, which of course means lesser profits for you too. Now, there are a few other platforms that don't charge you a commission, like Kajabi and Podia, but they give you zero control over branding of your courses, and there's no tools built in to help you customize your videos and your courses. The good news is, we have developed a platform that takes care of all of these problems and allows you to create and sell your online and video courses, create professional sales pages to market your courses, has built-in video marketing tools, allows you to brand your courses and sell under your name, requires no technical skills, and is fully cloud-based. That means you can make profits on the go. Introducing CoursEmpire, the world's #1 AI-powered platform to create video courses for newbies and business owners. With CoursEmpire, you can create top-quality video courses, market them under your own branding and sell them on your own or for your clients and keep 100% of the profits for yourself. All it takes is just 3 simple steps. Step 1, pick a template and upload your video. Step 2, customize your videos. Step 3, generate a sales page to sell them for the top dollar. Here's what all you're going to get with CoursEmpire. Create extremely interactive video courses by quickly adding advanced tools. Reach out to bigger audiences and more students with extreme ease. Customize and brand your courses to create a strong identity and establish your authority. Host sales videos that drive an insane amount of traffic every single day. Easily promote your courses with done-for-you high-converting sales pages and email campaigns. Create the domain name of your choice to host courses on your very own page. Save more to earn more by eliminating platform charges like transaction and processing fees. Manage all of your videos from the cloud-based video drive. Begin earning massive passive income without any delay or learning curve, and a lot more. As per market trends today, course creators earn anywhere between $2,000 to $50,000 every single month selling courses. Now you too can do that and more easily with CoursEmpire. And to think that you only have to click a few buttons to do all that and make that kind of money sounds almost unfair. Watch the demo to learn how easy it is to get started. We've got real-life examples as proof on this page below this very video. Get access to CoursEmpire today to take advantage of the special launch pricing and to get access to exclusive bonuses worth thousands of dollars. Avoid paying monthly or yearly fees before the countdown ends. Test drive this life-changing app to know for yourself. We offer you a 100% refund within 30 days if you don't make profits with CoursEmpire. We can't wait to welcome you on board this truly amazing app. See you on the inside.